are going to watch the horse. Where are we? We are here at Dreamland Nature and Adventure Park, Amlan. Yeah. Amlan. Yeah. Amlan Park. Thank you inside the diha. Yes. Yeah, 100 pesos and 80. 100 pesos. Maraming hapon.
Para ito mga donation ramang.
Donation ra? Wala ra na? Donation only.
Huh?
Donation.
Donation?
Yeah.
How much should we donate?
Just 100 mission.
Isulot ra ari usa ka pangalan ni ma'am niya butang ra pila niya i-donate.
Donation para rin. Number.
Ya pero ma'am.
Musulat na rin. Thank
Nay
you.
mo guide niyo ma'am.
Ha?
Go ahead, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Nay mo guide niyo ma'am bata na ako. Give me the big phone.
It was on my here at the back. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go.
Where's the horse?
Let's go to the horse. Yeah, there was a horse. Ano saling nadira dong? Ha? Snake? Oh my god!
It's a friendly snake.
Friendly snake? Oh! Ano sa ngalan ano? Python?
Burmese albino.
Bornese?
Burmese albino.
Burmese albino python? Oh my god! But, snake. 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 Oh my god. Ito ng taon iyahang mata. Hi, snake. Pila na ni kay years dong?
Wala ako kabalo.
Dugay na siya.
Dugay na dire.
Wala na kayo daghang tao mo ano din niya?
Panalagsa.
Pangalagsa na? Asa man na siya diha? Ay!
Wild
Snake gihapon be!
Wild.
Look at the snake! Oh my god! Pila man ni kabuok?
Tulo.
Ha? Wala, nagkuan lagi siya. Nag-change og skin. Nga dili ni sila kuan, mulog not.
Dili.
Natulog. Tinood na once sa mantra ni sila makaon. Kasara sila pakaon sa skabulan.
Ang ina pa kanon kay buong nga manok.
Buhe? Oh my. Dili sila makaon og kanang dili buhe?
Oh. Dagsa sila manok ani.
Tagsa sila kabuk manok?
Oh.
Oh my god. So tulo ka buo kay tulo man ni.
Big.
Be, you see the snake here?
What?
Snake. See? Oh my god. Asa na na wala na?
Squirrel.
Squirrel?
Sugar glider.
Asa man ron?
Squirrel.
Hi, squirrel! Hello! Kuan makayo, oy, cute bang kaayo, di man kita agi. Glare po sa akong kamera, oy. Layo siya bina, squirrel, oh, latabi! Ang cute kaayo siya. Hello! Ay! Napadi, ari. Ano siya? Mangisag siya? Na siya, baby?
Wala.
Oh.
Kung magabi mo tingog sila.
Unsa ilang tingog?
Padong kameras.
Unsa iya tingog? Ah. Kasi, ano siya? Lak, gagmay ra ang squirrel. I thought big na sila. Ala, the squirrel!
Fly na.
Hello! Hello! What's that? What's that?
Squirrel.
Squirrel? Let's go. Asa tabad to?
Kas awayari ma'am.
Ha? Asa ba na? Kaya diha? Masa gaya na siya daw miracle fruit? Daga na ti miracle fruit. Masa itanom anak liso?
Oh.
Wala. Sa igol?
Musuhin na siya.
Wala. Oh, don't make loud sound, ha? Hello.
Mo ni siya golden peasant Ibra Adarna.
Ay, mani? Golden Crescent Icon Adarna? Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Daghan na siyang food, oy. Pila na niya kaadlaw kanon?
Upat.
Upat? Hello, birdie. Usa lang siya kabuok?
Tulo ni siya ay upat ni sila ang ubay sa mga matay.
Ano man?
Ang kausawa.
Kaugsawa?
Ang gagmay.
Ay, napo, sawa mo sulod. So, dapat na ay kuan. Hello, bird. Kani, unsa ni siya dong?
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher?
Oh.
Snake? Yes. Go. Over. At the other side. Oh. Okay. Fisher. Ayaw pa dol ha. Kay manukaan na siya mata.
Try mini kite.
There's eagle. Oh, tingog ang eagle. So, we had a visitor. Yes. We had a visitor.
Three. Only three.
That is the name.
Eagle.
Yeah, it's flying. Oh, nagsaba kayo.
Chinese chicken.
Chinese chicken.
Apoy
Hello.
sagol. Bisaya chicken.
Bisaya itong na dito. Nya mangitlog na siya diha. Kay laki ba ni? Nya wala pa sila ng baby?
Wala pa.
Sila ala na turkey dili please.
Asa to?
Turkey.
Mao siya Victoria Grand Pigeon.
Victoria Grand Pigeon. Wow. Hello, birdie. Bee, look at here. Look at here. Come here. Trisha. Look at here. See? Huh?
Red yung eyes.
Yes. Red na yung eyes. Victoria. Victoria. O, saan na doon?
Victoria Grand Pigeon.
Victoria Grand Picture. Amo ang mga kwan, oh. Among mga tour guide, oh. Turkey. Na. Male? This female. Peacock. Ay,
Mo buskat na iyang usa.
kaning usa na kuan yahang ikog peacock.
Mao siya laki niya kani siya bayi.
Ay, ana day ang bayra, dili siya mo ana ang iyahanga ikog.
Kanang laki mo magpasaya man sa bayi.
Katong mo pa ana iyahang ana ikog.
Ilang egg oh.
Asa lang kay?
Dra.
So magkabibi na sila. Small ra di ay ang egg. So kani mga baby peacock ni.
Oh, turkey.
Oh, baby turkey. Asa man ang baby peacock?
Kana.
Kaning na din he.
Dili ay katong dito niya. Kaning diri turkey.
It's baby peacock.
Mama peacock.
And this is also a peacock. And she had 3 babies. Ay, nalagay na siya sa gawas.
Okay. Gipasagaan na natin. Yung mga prinsesa yung mga anak.
They just let them out because they will hurt their kids. Nalagay usang peacock dito sa outside.
Gipasagaan na na.
You didn't see that? There was... Nangitlog siya?
Nangitlog.
Sa taas ay sila mag-itlog.
Nakapunat na ng isa.
Sorry, daghan na ni sila kaayo. Then wala na dire.
Lovebirds.
Where's the lovebirds? Butterfly. Lovebirds. Nara lagi sila sa gawas. Nasulod na sila. Hello, bird! There you are. Huh? Saan sila? Ilahang house diha. Tarira sila kabuok. Kana din na water. Saan man dito isulod water? Lovebird. It's a lovebird. Kana, unsa may na dito?
Babura mo, wild pig.
Wild pig. The wild pig is there. No. Let's go to the wild pig. Makagawa sang bird. Okay. Wild pig is here. Na sila baby.
Agay.
Ay kaya. Wild pig. Ayog up di ka mahulog ka. This is a wild pig. What's over there? There are only 3.
4.
Asa maruning uba?
Uban na dito na nga.
Ah, na-sleep. There are 4. The other one is sleeping. Yeah.
To say mother.
Kato siya? Bato siya ang mother kani mga anak na ni. Asa man ang father?
Kana.
Kaning small? Ah.
Man ni ilang leader.
Oh? Ah. If ever mahulog mo dito, mamaak sila?
Umaak.
Niyo sa inyo ipakaon.
Kanang taho.
Iana ra, ihatag ra?
Oh.
Kay ug mosulod ka, mamaak sila? Ay.
Nakapanganap sila niya. Iya mong gikaon.
Oh, pila ka buok?
Usa.
So he eat it?
Oh, auto siya ng anak.
Oh my, there was a baby but he ate it.
Yeah, they'll do that.
So, if manganak sila, kinahanglan kuhaon.
Oh. Kay ano.
Niyo sa niyo pagkuha nga mangisog man sila.
Butangan og pagkaon.
Dapat na iana sa baby. I-scoop para makuha. Ay, luuya. There was a baby but this one ate the baby.
Yeah, I got that part.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to fall down in there.
Yeah, because they're gonna eat you.
Oh yeah, they can be very aggressive,
Yeah.
and they're smart. They're smart as dogs. Pigs
Yeah.
are very intelligent.
Okay, let's go to the
Horse.
horse.
Yes. And you see the horse.
Oh, there was a reindeer.
Oh, what?
There, reindeer. Let's go to the reindeer.
Deer.
Nice man kaayo ni sa una din hi. Wala na kayo natagadong sa sukod sa pandemic. Since the pandemic, the place is like this.
Say it again.
Since the pandemic, there's no enough budget to.
Pandemic, there's not enough people coming.
Yeah, so there's no enough budget for the park to be renovated. That was a reindeer.
These are reindeer? I think they don't have reindeer in the Philippines.
So what is that? Deer?
The northern species.
So
I
reindeer,
don't know. What
reindeer
name it would be,
and deer is not
but
the
they
same.
might call them reindeer here. I don't.
Yeah, we call that reindeer. Reindeer na dong, di ba? Deer.
Oh, here we go.
Deer? Oh, it's a deer. It's not reindeer. Visayan spotted deer.
Oh, but time.
It's not reindeer. It's a Visayan spotted deer.
Ow.
There's a Alfredi. Ah, I thought it was reindeer. My bad. Oh, there was a camel. Usa ra ka buok? Camel? Yeah. Yan sa pag-abot sa camel din he. Yan sa pag-abot sa camel din he.
Di pa gamay pa sila na. Di pa dako.
Ha?
Gamay pa sila niya. Dili sila di pa dako.
Kasi gadala. Na ay nagdala. Look at the horse, Trisha. And there was a small horse. Ano sa'yo tawag ka na doon? Ang small horse.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Pila ka bok? Oh, naa sila, babe, ako ng laki o bayi. Na sila yung itlog na. Wala pa? Wala pa sila ni itlog. Di sila magdagahan. There was the ostrich, Trisha.
I never see.
There, look at that. It's a very big bird.
Big bird.
Yeah, look at that. We're gonna see. Asa man tamulantaw? Dapit. There, look at that. Oh, ostrich. That. See? You see that? Ostrich.
I'm scared.
Ostrich. Yeah. See? Oh, dili ra magpaduol.
These guys can kill your ass.
Na, dili
Their
tang
legs
paduol
are
kay
so
mga
strong,
una.
they'll kick you with their leg. They can kill you.
Dili ta paduol kay mga
I
maak
think
na
they
sila.
were intentionally
Di sa
mean.
canteen before.
No, this was what was
Canteen. Sorry, come here. Come here, the ostrich. Look at that. Look at the ostrich. Very big. Look at that. Look at that. Dili ra ta paduol kay. Big kaayo na. Isa na siya dia? Crocodile? Na crocodile dia? I thought na crocodile. Napa da dito?
Nato ng tawon ng crocodile.
Hello! Big car ng ostrich. See? Dili ra ta paduol. Manuhak sila. Yeah, ostrich. Labi, don't so near.
Gusto ko gani kamera.
They're going to eat you. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the turtle. Asa ang turtle? Tago. Okay, in.
Tutas dito sa crocodile ato ng tawon. Taram!
Crocodile. Turtle. There. Pila ka bukdong?
Daghan.
Ay, daghan?
Okay.
Turtle. See? There's a turtle. Yeah.
a turtle.
Turtle. See?
Oh, there's a couple of them.
They're swimming.
There's another one coming.
Another one is there. Sunbathing. They're swimming.
Feed the darn turtle.
Ano sa ilang food?
Chicken head.
How much food they got
Oh?
to give 'em. The turtles ain't dumb. man.
Pila mo kabuk makakauna na chicken head?
Dua na itulo na upat.
Careful. Not very
Ay.
strong.
Oh, and... Oh,
You
they
got
eat it. Let's go. Let's go to the crocodile.
I'm scared.
Oh, goodness. My goodness, Trisha. Sa una na ay daghan di ring ako ando trabahante. Asa na ilfod chicken head gyapon? Asa man ang crocodile? Oh, there was a crocodile there.
Oh, this is the crocodile.
Sleeping. There at the tree.
There he is.
Oh, here. Pila sila kabukdong? Crocodile. Pila sila kabuok?
12.
Ay, 12. There's too many. I thought just 2 or 3. But it was 12. Oh,
Cameron, you ain't getting it back.
I said 12 pieces crocodile.
He's dipping them.
Ah.
And there. Oh, lunchtime. Think we should tie honey on a string since they're hungry? I don't think honey would like that very much.
Huh?
Put honey on the string and dip her.
Ah.
Go for a swim.
Saan nila ilang yan na i-catch? They're going to catch it? Oh, there. The other one.
There's another one coming.
Rolling. Going to, oh, see?
How many?
12.
12 of them in here.
I think they're sleeping. Oh, it was on the banana. It was on the banana tree.
Oh,
The other
that's
one.
smart. They're just waiting.
You saw that on the banana tree?
Oh,
sleeping.
yeah. There's
With-
another one right here.
Open mouth.
Right there.
With the open mouth.
Little
My goodness,
12 of 'em.
kainit. Ah, Nita.
Asa na sama?
Na ato dito. Nag-sleep siya dito. O galantaw ni mo.
Yeah. Want to go swimming? No? You don't want to go swimming? You sure? What are you afraid of?
Na ay small
They'll
nga
only try to eat
crocodile.
you.
There was a small crocodile.
Ouch.
Ano saan nasa unahan daw?
Crocodile gyapon.
Crocodile? Oh, it's still crocodile. Baby? Trisha, come here.
Let me see the crocodile.
You see, this one is a baby crocodile.
Is it a baby crocodile?
Yeah, but
Look. Look.
where? Oh, yeah, baby crocodile.
Crocodile.
It's a very small over there.
Over here. Baby
It's a
one.
baby crocodile.
She don't have parents?
Ay, naibig dito.
Where?
Mother? Ilan ang mother?
Oh, my father.
Father.
Oh,
Oh, behind the palm. Just open mouth.
mouth open in the shade. Chilling.
I cannot. My camera is not good, so you cannot see the big crocodile is
I
there
can see.
behind the palm tree.
Yes, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't disturb her.
Just don't disturb. Oh, there was a big there. Oh. Oh my. Oh. What happened? Why are they fighting? They're fighting for the food? They're fighting. There.
Oh, maybe he wants to breed. Maybe it's a male or female.
Ah.
Maybe it was in his spot.
Yeah.
That's my spot in the woods.
There.
You see, there's one here.
The three of them
And this
was
one's chasing that one for some reason.
chasing. 3, 4, 5. Here also.
Ooh.
Another one there.
Na ay crocodile.
Ay, ayaw rag-igo dong. Kay masakitan niya sila.
Should be in screen right in the middle somewhere here. Can't really tell. Oh, here. Over here.
Tara ka? Yeah, it's very hot. Ipaim na sa kog water.
Nadam sa water.
Ino pa ka water? Naungan ni mo eh. Ang sa'yo mo nakita?
Ostrich, crocodile, dayon. Chicken, dayon.
Ayun.
What else?
What else? What else?
Got it?
Ang sa'yo lain dong? Horse? Horse na?
Monkey, rabbit.
Where's the monkey and rabbit?
I want rabbit. She's so cute.
Feed them to the crocodile? No?
I want rabbit. Cute.
Asa maagi ang monkey o rabbit?
There's monkeys and rabbits.
There was a monkey and rabbit.
Yeah.
Let's go to the monkey and rabbit. Yeah, let's go to the monkey and rabbit.
I'm going want to predict sa monkey, ma.
Ostrich.
Ayaw pa doon.
Oh, where are you going? No. Tayo ang ostrich. Let's go, let's run.
Na I'm miniature horse. Wait,
Yeah.
sakay bata.
Oh, Trisha, you want to ride the mini horse? The small horse? Come here.
Yes!
Let's ride it. Let's ride the mini horse. Yeah. Trisha want to ride a small horse. Come here, baby horse. It's not a baby, it's a mini horse. Ride.
Bulo ko.
Oh, sige, yun yung soman. Kanya pagsakay. Kailangan ka masulod dito.
Gaan siya feeds.
Yeah, asa man na inyong feeds?
Nadiribig siya. Asa?
Wala siya feeds?
Oh, if she wants to ride a mini
Yeah.
horse, she can. We'll do that.
Ha?
If she wants to ride on one, she can.
Wala na yung feeds?
20 pesos. So.
Yeah.
But let's,
Aw.
let's quick.
They don't
go
have-
see the oh, you can't do it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They don't have feeds. Wala feeds. Sige na. Wala may feeds, dili ka makaride. Bye, mini horse.
Ano na big?
Yeah, that was a horse.
Na sa pag-ride of horse?
Yeah. There's a baby horse there.
I want to ride the baby horse, not for a big horse. It's for the big
Kung saan din he before dong?
marang.
Ni asan man la na?
Pero marang.
Asa? Ah, it's a cat.
Wild cat.
Wild cat.
Apa isa?
There. We call it maral. There.
Wild cat.
Wild cat. Ano sa ilang pop?
That looks like a mirror
Huh?
cat.
Ilahan ng tae, ilang giipon.
Oh.
Wild cat.
Oh my god, I like you.
Sleeping. Duha ra sila.
Oh. You guys see that one?
Ay, sir.
Tail and gray and black spots on the side. It looks like a cat
Uy.
with a dog-shaped head. More like a fox.
And the other one is here. Hiding. Hiding on small house.
Oh.
It's good to the monkey.
Yes, like monkey and
Isa na siya
rabbit.
dong cottage or balay? Kana. Cottage? Oh, the dog. Careful, Abby.
Hey, wait for me.
Oops, there was music. Tiger and monkey. Asan na tiger?
Na dito sa last.
Layo?
Hello, monkey. Walang tako.
Oh, nasa iyang lubot. Ano na iyahang? Ano iyahang anak? Lubot na yung anak. Nasa iyahang lubot?
Maano siya friendly monkey.
Ah, hello. Hello.
Wani.
Hello. Namutot siya. Hello.
Mangita siya pagkaon.
Oh, wala man tayo dalang pagkaon. Ay, biscuit. Ikaw siya biscuit?
Pagkaon.
Oh, hold be. Magkako biscuit.
Biscuit. Because we hungry.
Biscuit here.
Oh my, look at the blood on this one.
Hello.
Oh, there lang. Abri ha. Tagi siya. Ay, pre, ayo ha? Chag biscuit. That's yummy. Ay, gihurot. Ihatag sa uban. Gihurot siya kuha. Napa,
Give him one at a time.
one lang. Kay napa dito. Siya. Ay, ako, ano na? Give it to me. Give it to me.
I want here.
There was another one here.
Yeah, well, there's
Siya, I need more.
a whole bunch of them.
Need more, I need more. I need more. Oh. Careful, Abby. See that? Angas. Maangas. Hello. Food. Yeah. Oi, more. More.
Everybody gets one first, buddy.
Siya, more. More. Look at that one, more. Oh, more. I said, I want more. No more. Hello. Wala na. Ang sa'yo, pagkaan labong tagra? Ang saan na diha? Ang saan na diha?
Rabbit.
Ah, there's the rabbit. It's here, Trisha. Pila ka book na dong? Daghan?
I had rabbits growing up.
Ah, there was white rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Ang sa'yo lang pagkaan feeds?
Oh,
Kangkong.
kanang kangkong, pwede kangkong. Oh.
Ah, hello.
Oh, she's so cute.
Yeah.
Where's the tiger?
On the other side. There, sleeping. Pilas lakbo.
Daw, pinadagay.
Oh,
Nanganak, ibon.
oh, ka-cute. Hello. White rabbit.
Cute lagi si Grandma.
Ang dali ato ta sa tiger.
Ito sa tiger.
Oh, there. Go. Tiger is there. Pila ka buk tiger, day? Pila ka buk ng tiger?
Wala lang kayo. Ito, matuwa sa.
Oh. Wala sila'y anak? Amo mga tour guide. Ah! Sleeping. Sleeping tiger.
Byron.
Trisha,
Ay, padolbi ha?
not so close. Good.
Asa nang usada dong?
Na, dito kanang walay screen. Kanang.
Anong wala screen?
Oh, true?
Asan?
Kinadaplinan ba?
Trisha, I
Hindi
don't
ko
care
kita.
how close they are.
Ayun pa daw kay kay
Telling
anak mo.
you to
Ash!
back away a little.
Ah,
I know that
motak
they
sila?
probably can't get his paws
Unsa
in
ilang
there, but
pagkaon?
Kanang chicken head.
Chicken heads gyapon?
that tiger's like, I am too chill.
Pig.
Yeah.
Only one tiger?
Two.
Dili na sila mo sa kadiha.
Sleeping?
Yes.
The other one sleeping over there. Unsa ba ng house na diha do? Kanang naay mga screen.
Sila ang cage.
Ah. Tiger.
Isa na po ang tawon.
Tiger. See that? Sleeping. Sleeping. This one. Tiger. Pantera tigers. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's watch there. Oh. Ah, mo ni siya ay girl. Kato ato boy. Ah, it's a girl tiger. Mo na, last na ni.
Last.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tiger. Ginitan siya, init kaayo. Nganong dire siya gilain siya?
Okay, mag-live sila.